In the final leg of his U.S. visit, Prime Minister Modi is set to address the Summit of the Future at the United Nations General Assembly in New York today. The summit, themed Multilateral Solutions for a Better Tomorrow, has been described by UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres as a once-in-a-generation UN summit. Earlier, the Prime Minister had engaged with the Indian diaspora at a community event in New York's Nassau Veterans Memorial Coliseum, where he discussed topics including India's advancing technological capabilities. Listen in.
हर बार पिछला रिकॉर्ड तोड़ देते हैं। साथियों, मैं हमेशा से आपके सामर्थ्य को, भारतीय डायस्पोरा के सामर्थ्य को समझता रहा हूं। जब मेरे पास कोई सरकारी पद नहीं था, तब भी समझता था और आज भी समझता हूं। आप सब मेरे लिए हमेशा से भारत के सबसे मजबूत ब्रांड एम्बेसडर रहे हैं और इसलिए मैं आप सबको राष्ट्रदूत कहता हूं।
And after the mega diaspora event, the Prime Minister held separate talks with world leaders, including his Nepalese counterpart, KP Sharma Oli, Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas, also the Crown Prince of Kuwait, and discussed various facets of bilateral ties. The Prime Minister also expressed deep concern at the humanitarian situation in Gaza and reaffirmed India's continued support to the Palestinian people. And beyond this, the Prime Minister hosted a roundtable with top U.S. tech CEOs to bolster collaboration in cutting-edge technologies like AI, quantum computing, and semiconductors as well. Key figures such as Sundar Pichai of Google and Shantanu Narayan of Adobe were among the attendees.
He pushed us to continue making in India, designing in India. We are proud to now make our Pixel phones manufactured in India. He is really thinking about how AI can transform India in a way that benefits the people of India. And we are proud to be partnering with India. We are robustly investing in AI in India, and we look forward to doing more.
On the other hand, the Prime Minister's visit to the United States does not end with Quad and a series of bilaterals with international leaders, but he also has a gift to fellow Indian Americans in the country. The Prime Minister, at an event in New York's Nassau Veterans Coliseum, has announced the opening of 2 more consulates, one in Boston and the other in Los Angeles, while the first consulate is already operational in Seattle. The announcement was made during the Prime Minister's interaction with Indians at the event, which was packed with excitement, with attendees chanting Modi Modi during his speech.
मैंने पिछले साल ये घोषणा की थी कि सिएटल में हमारी सरकार का नया कॉन्सुलेट खोलेगी। अब ये कॉन्सुलेट शुरू हो चुका है। मैंने 2 और कॉन्सुलेट खोलने के लिए आपके सुझाव मांगे थे। मुझे आपको ये बताते हुए खुशी है कि आपके सुझावों के बाद भारत ने बोस्टन और लॉस एंजलिस में 2 नए कॉन्सुलेट खोलने का निर्णय लिया है।